California has made it very clear they don't really like Tesla anymore. In fact, they really strongly dislike Tesla. They've now decided that they will shut down Tesla's insurance after thousands of complaints. What are these complaints about? What is the story here? Well, guys, I'm going to just tell you very clearly, I don't know the veracity of these complaints, but here's what everyone is saying. Or in fact, here's what the California government is saying. Hello, my friends. Welcome to the channel. I'm Sam Evans. You're watching The Electric Viking. YouTube's new algorithm means that you're often not getting all of our videos in your feed. There's 7,500. I'm pretty sure you're probably not seeing a lot of them. In the description, there is a link to our newsletter. Click on that and you can get an update every day of all the latest news in the electric car industry. Tesla, they do insurance. So you can get insurance from them. And they have said they're going to be the best in the business because they have access to your vehicle logs, to your vehicle analytics, to your driving style, to your risk profile. They have more data than other insurance companies by an order of magnitude. It's true. And therefore, they should be able to give you a fair price on insurance. And this all makes sense, right? But according to authorities in California, they may revoke Tesla's license for insurance altogether. They're threatening this anyway. The California Department of Insurance, CDI, announced on the 3rd of October it's taking enforcement action against Tesla Insurance Services, Inc. and Tesla Insurance Company, alongside State National Insurance Company, who underwrites Tesla's policies in the state. So why? Well, regulators say these three companies failed to comply with California's claims handling laws over and over and over again. It accuses all three of significant harm to Tesla drivers who held policies with Tesla, basically. Tesla Insurance Services acts as the broker selling the policies, while Tesla Insurance Company and State National handle the underwriting and claims. Really, the truth is, State National, they underwrite the entire thing. So Tesla Insurance wouldn't exist without State National. Together, though, the CDI says Tesla and State National have developed a pattern of misconduct so severe that the state may suspend or revoke their licenses and impose monetary penalties of up to $10,000 per willful violation. According to the department, Tesla's alleged offenses include extensive delays in paying valid claims, unreasonable denials, and failures to conduct thorough, fair, and objective investigations. The department accuses Tesla of not informing policyholders of their right to have claims denials reviewed by the state. So complaints have increased apparently. To be honest, there's not really a huge number of them, but here's what they are. The state started tracking claims of complaints against Tesla's insurance. In 2022, it noted 21 complaints against State National Insurance Company, which were justified, they said. This accounted for 40 regulatory violations. The next year, those figures grew to 63 complaints and 195 regulations. Let's just say 63 because, to be honest, that's the fairer number. 63 customers complained. In 2024, Tesla Insurance Services joined in the fray, or I don't know exactly what that means, but they somehow joined in, and complaints rose to 291, along with 835 violations. In 2025, the department says it has received 2,000 complaints. So these numbers are getting big now, yeah? 2,000, more than 2,000 complaints, over 500 of which were justified. So the department is saying 75% of the complaints were not justified and 25% were. But that's still a lot of justified complaints of 500. In fact, more than 500. And apparently for those 500 complaints that were justified, there was 2,000 regulatory violations. Tesla Insurance Services, Tesla Insurance Company, and State National have 15 days to respond to the accusations before they face a potential administrative hearing. And if the department wins, the companies could be barred from transacting insurance business in California, and they could get pretty big fines as well. Now, guys, I don't personally justify what's happened here. And I think Tesla's insurance division clearly probably needs to fix up the way it's doing business, because if they've already had this year 500 justified complaints with more than 2,000 regulatory violations, that's a big number. It's not like 10, 20, or 100 even. Even 100's too many. But more than 500? That's way too many. Guys, what are your thoughts? Thanks for watching. The Sydney EV International Motor Show. If you want to get a 50% discount on your tickets, all you got to do, click the link in the description and use the promotion code that's in the description. Just copy and paste that. Now, I should mention there's only 200 tickets available per day. So if you go to use the promo code and you can't get a ticket, wait till the next day. Don't wait until the day before the show to get your tickets, because otherwise you'll probably miss out on getting the 50% discount. The new Tesla Model Y Performance can finally do something that, to be honest, most electric cars can already do. And I believe this feature will roll out to all Teslas within the next few months. Hello, my friends. Welcome to the channel. I'm Sam Evans. You're watching The Electric Viking. YouTube's new algorithm means that you're often not getting all of our videos in your feed. There's 7,500. I'm pretty sure you're probably not seeing a lot of them. In the description, there is a link to our newsletter. Click on that and you can get an update every day of all the latest news in the electric car industry. Now, a lot of people think that you can't use vehicle to grid on a Tesla. You can though, you just need the right setup. And I've talked about that in separate videos. But technically right now, Teslas don't have the option for vehicle to load, which almost every other EV does. But the new Tesla Model Y Performance, which just went on sale in the United States a couple of days ago and will be delivered by the end of this year, officially supports vehicle to load, or V2L. This means that owners of the new Model Y will be able to export energy from the car's high voltage battery to power tools or appliances through an adapter that's sold separately by Tesla. Tesla confirmed the 2026 Model Y Performance supports vehicle to load in a post that they put up publicly on X. And the company replied to another person who posted a Grok AI generated response that said the car supported both vehicle to load and vehicle to home. These features, though, are not listed on the company's website, so I don't know where Grok got these from. And they weren't present among the list of features posted when Tesla debuted the car a couple of days ago in the US. But yeah, somehow Grok actually picked up on this stuff. I guess Grok is owned by Musk, basically, so maybe that had something to do with it. Anyway, Tesla said this: new Model Y Performance offers vehicle to load with Tesla outlet adapter. Now, I'm curious to know if this Tesla outlet adapter will work for all Teslas. Maybe it will, and we'll find out soon. Tesla's reply states that the refreshed Model Y Performance only supports vehicle to load through the Tesla outlet adapter. The $80 adapter plugs into the latest generation mobile connector,